That is a large motor.
Way more room in a Camaro. Holy shit.
Got some cardboard filters. Stock filter, no box. Throttle body, injectors. Looks like a heat exchanger.
I was gonna say probably close to 7 if I had to guess.
I'm gonna guess probably a little underrated.
What?
I'm gonna guess 705.
So I'll go 699.
I'll go 660. 660 you said? Yeah, I'm gonna warm it up a little more. The train's pretty cold. I love it. Play. What?
I got the boost wrong though.
I thought they were. It's gotta be a giant blower.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Let me do one more knot on the limiter and see what it makes.
Would it kick the limiter there?
It didn't spike or
That
nothing.
didn't spike? It's clean. I think it is, right? Hold up.
So man, there's nothing I can really do about the fucking green ones that we just did.
A little bit of a dip. That looks like it's in torch, maybe? How do you have it hooked up?
Just around the fucking wires, oil wires.
With the little plug? And it made 814.
What fucking?
Little dip there, that's fine. Send it. Looks good. Yeah, maybe it's got a porta blower.
So I can't even see if there's fucking headers on it, so. Dropping out, nice and quiet.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's pretty quiet.
Suck intake.
Yeah, it's definitely got stock manifolds on it. See the
Maybe it's
Fomoco
got
on
E
it.
in it?
Doesn't smell like it. Yeah, when I saw that, I'm like, man, they're, you know?
That's it.
Just doing it the way I was told. I don't know.
Yeah.
660 is stock, Fran said.
Well, I'm doing all this just so I can drain the coolant, and it just might not be getting drained. So I don't know what now is holding. I guess those sevens do go in that too.
Reminds me of the braces on the fucking C6. Things have about like 500 bolts holding it on.
Yeah, that's a little overkill on this thing, I think. Okay, maybe that's... That's all part of the fucking front bumper. I guess.
What?
This whole fucking thing, dude. Why? Tricky. Let's see if we can get this one down. Holy shit. It's pretty wild, dude. Some serious aerodynamics on this thing. Garrett, you want to put a hand on that fucker?
Yeah.
More like kind of supports on that weight. It's carbon, so it's got a little weight to it. Ooh, I noticed there was a bolt missing up top somewhere, and that's what that was for. Back. Alrighty. Alright, gave us a petcock. Thank you, Ford. Crazy. It's kind of like really similar to a Camaro. Kinda. Kooky. Kinda crazy. Kinda crazy. Okay, good. There's nothing in this bucket. Looks like deck's cool, but I don't know if it is deck's cool, so.
Not ideal.
No, but we were in New York Monday night into Wednesday.
Oh shit.
And that was... I'm just gonna say, I never need to go back to New York City ever again. No.
Okay, I was gonna say.
But that was my first time. That was like any time I've ever gone, it was like a day trip. This is the first time I've ever been there for multiple days, and I don't think I ever need to go back to that fucking place ever again in my life.
I don't think I need you. I'm gonna just have you hold something out of my way, but
I think you're good.
I don't think it's that big of a deal. Thanks, buddy.
Not good. There's no solder in there. Have you seen it? Thin.
Kyle, solder stealer.
Injectors are long,
I was
skinny
telling the guy
Jones.
in the duck blind about the
Tight. Ow! Fuck, man, I keep doing that.
I know you briefly mentioned the idea of it, but do you think there's any possibility that you would get rid of the truck and get one of them Dark Horse Mustangs when they come out?
I mean, I'd consider it. I'm sure they're gonna be fairly expensive.
Oh, I bet.
Bro, looks like you might have a little coolant leak on this thing.
Better get in there.
2020 GT500. This is the first one we have done. This guy used to have a C6ZR1, and when he got this, I kind of wanted to do one, so I was like, yo man, let us do that. So he did. So we did ID 1300s, I think a 2.45 pulley, a thermostat, and I forget whose air intake this is. Yo, what air intake is this again? JLT. JLT, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, JLT air intake. We were gonna, he gave us a different throttle body, but it won't fit because the blower's not ported. So I just told him to save that, and next time he brings it back, we'll do that. So, see what this thing does. Lund is tuning it. I am not tuning it. I don't do Fords, but I've been friends with Lund forever, and he's tuning it for him. I already got the base like things for him. I sent it over already for like the, you know, the first like log he wants me to send him, and now he wants me to do a pull to 7,500. So we're gonna do a pull to 7,500. .51. All right, well, Lund looked at the data log and said it was good and just wants me to make another rip. The good thing about these Fords is, compared to like the GM, like where I have to like constantly make changes and make changes and make changes to a file to get them closed, the Fords are factory widebands. They will add timing if they need to. They will pull timing away, not just like a knock sensor type thing. So this is almost like in reality, like a Holley. Like if this thing is lean, the ECU will add 10% fuel to get it to your target air fuel and where you need to be. So these things, I mean, not that I've tuned them, my guess are easier to get dialed in once you have a solid base file for them. So he didn't change nothing. He just wants me to make I let out a little early. So he just wants me to make another rip to like a little over 8,000, and then we're gonna add E. And these things can't do flex fuel, so I gotta drain the tank and put full E in it. Can you put a little more VHT on this? Then I'll keep driving it to let the tires warm up. Try it again. .884, 717. I still let out a little early. He told me the limiter's 8,500, just go to 8, and I think I let out. Let's see where I let out. 7,800. I'm gonna go a little higher. I'm gonna go a little higher. I'm not used to revving so high. I keep backing off like a pussy. The tack only goes to 8, so I'm like burying the tack. Obviously a little hotter, but that was like just under 8,100. So I made 875 there, but he said these things don't have flex fuel. He said they like have like something, but he doesn't trust it on like boosted applications, so we have to drain it out and put full heat in it. All right, Lund just sent me the E85 tune. We drained all the 93 out of it, put 5 gallons of 93, put 5 gallons of E85 in it. Now I'm flashing the tune and we'll make some pulls. Put the 85 in it. Now I'm getting Lund an idle log, a cruise log, and a short wide open throttle to 5,500. So, see what that does. No, I tightened the strap. Oh. Should be way better. Thank you. Lund wanted me to leave the same tune and make a full rip. Probably have to warm the tires up a little bit, but I can't believe how instantaneous the shift is in this. It's unreal. .17, 734 torque. These things are so sick. This thing has like no mods done to it. Like none. I mean, imagine this thing with a ported blower and a big throttle body in it. All right, see what he says. We're back. All right, he said it's done, but I'm gonna do one more rip just to see if we can squeak a little more power out of it, and then we're done. The exact same number. 917, 734. Thing's stout, man. For the couple mods we did to this thing, I can't wait till he brings it back and we do a ported blower and a bigger throttle body and shit. Till that, this thing is done. If you have a GT500 and you want us to do stuff to it, let us know. Obviously we haven't done a ton of these things, but 90% of this shit is just bolting on parts, which we can easily do. You know, so if you got a shop that you don't necessarily trust, but you want Lund to tune it and whatever, you want us to work on it, let us know, we'll do it. Later.